And the market is certainly waiting on any stimulus deal. It is really the art of the deal here. And all throughout the day, early on, optimism over a potential deal coming by the end of the day today. We saw the markets rally pretty heavily, but that early optimism faded into the close as we're getting closer and closer towards a deadline. The Dow had been up about 300 points earlier on, closed just up over 100 points, but still within about 1% of getting back to break even for the year. The Nasdaq had been down for 5 straight days, did close higher today, and S&Ps were up, although not as much as earlier in the day. Stocks tied to the economy like industrials, materials, financials, they rallied today, and financials also rallied on the Goldman Sachs settlement and on rising rates. Housing numbers from EcoData this morning, a little bit lighter than expected, but still that housing sector continues to be very, very strong. Yesterday, ES option data, 414,000 options traded, 63% on the put side. Volume leaders were end of week 4, so this week, the October 3,500 calls, 7,100 of those traded. The end of month, end of week 3, November, 3,200 puts, 5,400 of those traded. End of week 4, so this week expiring October 3,550 calls, 4,500 of those traded. And then going back to those end of month, end of week 3, November, 3,400 puts, 4,400 of those traded. Volatility pretty steady in the marketplace right now. So ES options pricing in a move in the S&Ps to the end of the week of about $65. Bitcoin continues to be on fire, eclipsing the 12,000 mark, which is not just a psychological resistance area, but also a very big technical resistance area. So we'll have to see if the Bitcoin bulls are back fully in charge here. There certainly has been a correlation recently between the weaker dollar and stronger Bitcoin.